Thank you very much, Izzy, for the wonderful presentation and for enlightening us on some of the issues that we're going to be dealing with. First of all, I believe that this document, as we have the indicators of success, based on measurement, will be shared with us also, because we don't have copies. And I also would like to see timeline for some of the activities that we want to carry out, so that we can have adequate time to prepare for some of those activities. Our brother, I think from the CCB, mentioned this morning that corruption will have to be fought collaboratively. And when you have anti-corruption agencies hiding information from one another, that's not, it doesn't work one way for us. I believe that from this project that we are going to do, the anti-corruption agencies that are here present will take a cue from that and work collaboratively together. Then the other thing that we have to look at is, because I'm not sure I saw anything with that has to do with that. You mentioned very well the issue of the courts. They have the administration of criminal justice acts that's supposed to be day-to-day program. I'm thinking that we should also incorporate a situation where we have lawyers within our midst analyzing some of the judgments and even calling out some of these judges to have like a, I don't know whether it's possible to have like a hall of shame for such kind of things. I don't know whether it's possible. Hall of shame, because you mentioned some judgments. some of the judgments coming out of the courts, they are, I'm not a lawyer, but when you read some of the judgments, you kind of wonder what is going on, okay? So I think that even when we finish all of these things, like Madam said, you go to court to prosecute, it's left for the judge to take, to pass judgment. And then all of a sudden you see Abracadabra coming up and everything. Just, I worked with you on the Stop Immunity Nigeria campaign, and I saw a lot of the ghost workers. We did so many work of ghost workers in the ministries, agencies, even in the Federal Ministry of Finance, we had ghost workers. Even in the Federal Ministry of Justice, we had ghost workers. All of those things, you remember, you did an FOI, everything swept under the carpet. I think that I don't know whether that's what we are going to factor in, because some of these things, we do a lot of this work, we bring out some of all of these issues, and when it gets to the place where judgment needs to be taken, everything gets under the carpet. I'm from Lagos State. I just filled the form that asks whether high-profile cases in Lagos, whether they are, I said no, because in Lagos State, it's like you don't know whether, you know there's corruption going on, but who is dealing with the corruption cases? And I think Lagos State was one of the states that fought vehemently that the FOI should not be domesticated and that EFCC should not even have anything to do with Lagos State, because they have their own system to deal with corrupt acts. One of the, sorry I'm taking time, in 2012, when the Auditor General published the audit report of local governments, I know what happened. Eventually, that report was swept under the carpet and became like a family affair, because he indicted virtually all the local government chairmen. But that matter was swept under the carpet as like a family affair. So I don't know how we're going to deal with those issues. Are we going to be adopting the media calling out, because we have some media press briefings? Are we going to adopt that as long as we are sure that these things are happening? Are we going to adopt that list to put a searchlight on some of these issues? These are some of my concerns going forward.